Huawei P50 series unveil could be on July 29, as per a Weibo rumor. The date was revealed by converting the binary code hint 10110110001 to 729, suggesting 29 of July. The P50 series is said to feature 3 devices, the P50, P50 Pro and P50 Pro Plus. Another source from China claims that due to the pandemic's effect on supply, Huawei could unveil a mostly 4G-ready fleet of P50 devices, all running the Kirin 9000 chipset. That would allow a lower price, although we still expect 5G versions of both the P50 Pro and P50 Pro Plus. A third rumor has pointed to the series using a new 1/1.18-inch sensor for the ultra-wide-angle camera. That would be among the largest sensors in a phone and certainly the largest sensor in an ultra-wide camera among any phone. The main sensor on at least the P50 Pro and Pro Plus is heavily rumored to be a 1-inch Sony IMX800, the largest phone sensor to date. A final tidbit about the P50 series, the P50 would have a slight curve on its OLED display, while the P50 Pro and Pro Plus would have waterfall, curved sides. What do you think of the Huawei P50 series? Please let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos every day.